Here are 5 lessons to know before getting your first minimum wage job. Number 1. Time management is key. Learn to manage your time well. Being on time and meeting deadlines will make you a reliable worker. Number 2. Be patient and flexible. Things won't always go as planned. Be patient with tasks and flexible with your schedule. It shows you are willing to help. Number 3. Good attitude matters. Your attitude can make a big difference. Stay positive, be polite, and show a willingness to learn. Number 4. Teamwork is important. You will often work with others. Communicate well and be a good team player. It makes the job smoother for everyone. Number 5, and most important for me, is learn a basic money management. Minimum wage jobs often come with a limited pay. Budget your money wisely to make sure you can cover your needs and save a little if possible. These lessons will help you adjust and thrive in your first job. This is day 45 of my Project 50 Costa. Peace out.